Hi guys, it's me Andy, and this is Laura Meal Bus. Today I'm going to show you my little pigs and where I got them. So let's get started. I have two pigs, one right there, one right here. I can't see it. See? Now let me get them out. Get both of them out. Yeah, I got them. One is white. Take off his head. Yeah. The body is right here. The head is right here. And go take off his nose. Stop it. Stop it! Okay, go ahead and take it. Sorry about that. That was my baby sister. Had them right here. Little nose. See it? You see it? See it? Two little nose. Stop it! Hey! Sorry for my baby sister. But that's my baby sister. My baby sister in the other video. Come here! Sorry for that. Give me that one. She's my baby sister. So now, let me show you this cool little nose. Yeah. Yeah. You can see it right there. Camera. Oh. Nose. Now, let me show you the second one. I was practicing the other time, but now starting and then starting to break. Here's the other one. Oink, oink. This one also takes off his nose. And you could take off his head too. And the body is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you have some pigs, their erasers, and change colors. My friend got them at Alberto's. It's inside. You can find wherever you want inside Alberto's, and you'll find it. See you guys next week. Bye.